Okay, to do reductions, here are my lines for Red Tail's Dark Waters. So, yeah. Sorry it became that late because, as you said in the message you gave me a few minutes ago, I'm quite busy and I really don't want you to be disappointed because I want to make my vector tone 100% so that I won't mess up the entire new series. So that's that. I am terribly sorry for being late. I'm sick at that time. I want to give you lines, but I just can't. I just want to make my voice 100%. So I'm sorry for being late and all that other stuff. Anyways, here you go. Don't you think it might be a good idea to shut up now? You're in big trouble, you know that. What? Big mistake. No. Please. Alright. These are all the lines you gave me, and yeah. Hope I will keep voicing Vector in the future. And yeah. Thank you all for watching. This is Wing Ruckus signing off. See you guys next time.